Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. So today we are just going to look at the Kensington Lock that we find on our laptop, but most of us don't really know what it is. I also was wondering what that particular port was until I find out that it was a security lock. So basically we are going to look at how it works and what it serves. So let's get right into the video, guys. Okay, welcome back. So the Kensington Lock symbol on the side of many laptops represents a security feature called the Kensington Lock, which I've already mentioned, or a security slot in short. These locks are designed to help protect your laptops from being stolen. Okay, so let's use the bicycle that we have for an example. The bicycles are when we go to the campuses, we go to our workplace, we do hang them, on a lock, attached to a firm stand just in front of wherever the stands are, and then we use the bicycle locks to do what? To lock them together to keep them safe so that nobody will be able to take them along. If even it will be so, right, it's going to be very difficult for the person to go along.
God have mercy upon us.
With your laptop. So what does a Kensington lock do? So let's look at what it does. So basically the lock allows you to physically secure your laptop by attaching a special cable lock to it. The lock has a very nice cable that you can loop around a steady object like maybe a desk or maybe anything that's really firm around you, and then mostly laptops normally sit on desks, so basically it's going to be fixed onto the table, the table of your desk. Okay, so if it's a station, okay, it's going to be just to your table leg or whichever firm pillar you have close to you. So how does this work? What is its purpose and why do we really need this? So basically, first thing you need to know is by getting one. Okay, so that's how you use it. Okay, so what you need to get a Kensington style laptop lock that fits your laptop's lock slots, because the slots has different sizes. Okay, we have the ones that are really small, and then we have the ones that are very large and medium size, and they are different shapes. So you need to get a one that fits your particular type of laptop you are using. Then the next thing you need to do is just insert the lock inside the slots, and then what you need to do next is to turn the key. There's a key that keeps it very firm, that keeps the security lock very firm, so you need to turn the key, okay, to secure it in place. Then connect the cable to a fixed or irremovable object nearby you, anywhere you are, so that it can hold it very firm, so that no one can easily take it away just like that. Then why is it helpful? It's an extra layer of security aside, but remember, aside your password and others, it's an extra security layer. Even if someone tries to take your laptop, they can't just pick it up and then walk away like normal, because it's physically attached to something that is really firm enough that it's going to be hard for that person to break the table or something. Before the person will even finish breaking the table, now someone will be there to either rescue the laptop or get the person caught, and then whatever sanctions that they have against the person will be laid out very well. But here's the thing, it's always a good idea to also combine physical security with other software measures. So the password, other security measures that you need to make it an extra hard for someone to even crack into your system after getting the security lock slot out of. But you see how tiny the lock is, but guys, it's not something that someone can easily take it and then use a plier or something, a sharp object to cut it off or something of that sort. It's really strong as you see it over there. So please, this is what these particular slots on your laptops do. We see them, we mostly don't really use them, we don't see people, but there is a specific place that you when you get there, nobody will tell you to get some of this cable to do a lock. I don't use it personally, but it's a great feature that I think is good for all every laptop has it. I don't know of any laptop I've not seen this on, maybe the older one, the older versions, but mostly where you see this are in the companies, the schools, where their machines are not movable. For them, they are stationary, they are at one place, they are desks, they are desktops, they are towers, and then some other, so they are fixed, so you need to make sure you lock them, let the security be tight. So guys, if you like this video, please like and then subscribe to the channel and expect more from me. Thank you guys.